Good morning. I'm out here on this beautiful April Fool's Day. Let's get started.
Random dad stuff. Yeah.
So we are still here at the farm, staying away from people, doing a lot of lawn mowing. There's about 10 acres of grass to mow. It's a lot. And we still have about 2 acres to do. So we better get going. And did I mention it's cold? This isn't Florida weather, it's cold. And also we've got a bunch of stuff we're gonna get from the turkey barn that's gonna go in the burn pile. Try to clean some stuff out a little bit. Well, I got a little bit sidetracked today cleaning out this garage, and I found an old ping pong table. So I set it up, we got paddles, we got the net, we got everything. We just don't have any ping pong balls. But the garage is looking pretty good so far. Still got a whole bunch of mowing to do though. Maybe we'll go do that still. Well, I'm going to blame not getting this video out on Thursday on that coronavirus thingy. Yeah, I mean, because everything's a day late, whatever, people don't care, right? Meanwhile, while I was working on the garage, Carlin's working on a drawer.
Here you go. I found you some lip balm. Who knows how old it is?
Started a pretty good fire here with some of the junk that needed to be thrown away, some broken chairs, other broken furniture, broken bed frames, wood, etc. But we've got a pretty good fire going here. So I wonder if breathing in all this smoke and ash and stuff is better than breathing in coronavirus breath from other people. Probably. Well, made some good progress today. Still got a little bit to do tomorrow. Start cleaning out another garage. But we've got this set up pretty good here. One of the lights doesn't work. Climbed up there to see what was the matter, and I think it's a wiring issue with this other light here. Have to check that out tomorrow. But all in all, good start, and we still got mowing to do. We'll have to do that tomorrow. But for now, good night. All right, I'm gonna get over here to mow now. Oh, but it looks like someone's gonna take my job.
This is my job.
She's really good at mowing the lawn. I've got to kick her off for a second so I can say I did at least a little bit of mowing.
He's such a show-off.
I'm done.
That was like 2 seconds.
It's what we call teamwork. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's random video of farm stuff and mowing, and I don't know what else is in this video yet. But stay safe, stay 6 feet away, wash your hands, all that stuff, and we'll see you next week. Oh, and be sure to subscribe. Bye.